World Geography with M.Adnan. Today's tutorial is related to VSDI Visualize Shortwave Draft Index VSDI on Landsat 7 data and on Landsat 8 data. So here is the formula of each, and just zoom it, increase its size. By increasing its size, as you can see, here we using band 5 and band 1 in a Landsat 7 and Landsat 5. Also for 5 you can use this formula. So right here 5, okay, but on the Landsat 8 or 9, so you can use the formula which showing here. Just increase your size. Here the B6 means the band 6 and band 2. The B6 represent a short wave infrared region band, while band 2 represent blue band of satellite image. Here you can see band 6 and band 2. Now we apply the raster calculator and simple the formula. We select the float, and here is the band 6, subtract band 2, then divide float band 6 plus band 2. Okay, so now we give its path. It's our data of year VSDI 2020, because 2022 we doing now, and of 1990 we done. So, and give it path and just OK it. It will take time. Now I escape the video. So as you can see, our process is complete. So now we extract our study area from this image. We give here the shapefile which we need of this district. Here is a shapefile, and we paste it here. Now we extract it by using extract by mask tool. We select it. Here we give this data, and here we give the shapefile. Now we give its path. Here the path VSDI, this one, and 1. Okay, so save it. Now we compare it to 1990 and 2020. What is the difference between in it? It will be showing the values. Its range from maximum -1 to +1. Now as you can see, we give it the hollow, okay, and all other we will be unchecked, but first we need to keep here our data of where it is here 1990, this one. Okay, oh no, as you can see, the value of draftness in the 1990 is very high as compared to 2020. Okay, we compare it by color, by changing color ramp. Not this one, we use this one. This is a little highlighted. Okay, and it's of 2020, so we just change its color by selecting this one. Okay, now we going to remove the other parts and compare over this map by selecting the two different layers from each. here we just simple add the data frame, but we need here the same size. We just copy it by clicking here copy, and I paste here. So you can see here we get on this size of a data frame. It is a short key of it. Now we remove here this here, and also from here 2000, and just resume there. We will get on its existing size. As you can see, the upper one is a 1990 because I am just unchecked, so it will remove this one. Okay, the upper is a 1990 and the lower one is a 2020. As you can see in the area where the huge changes of draftness, that is must be that part. This part here is a very high value of draftness in a 2020, but as we compare it to this area, and this one here is a very reduced and a high part in this and this, but in the 2020 there will be a low of this draftness. So I hope this will help you identify the draft index on the Landsat image with Landsat 7, 5 and also 8, 9. Okay, thanks for watching. For more informative videos you need to subscribe our channel. Thank you.